Our first model of today is Henry Tomy. This model has snapped wires. We need to rewire this model. The rest looks okay. First thing, we remove all the screws from the tender. I need to get access to these wires. Next is remove the screws from the engine. Pull this apart. Oh, I see there's a lot of hair, dust, and a lot of things. So I'm gonna dust it with this gift sent by companies. I totally forgot about the brand. It's Rodix. I don't have the link with me at this moment, but nice coupling. It's good. I need to test if this motor works. So it's very important before I proceed to the next step, just to make sure there's any problems inside. It seems to work nice and sounds good. Excellent. The wire size, I don't know if you can see it. It's very small. Let me see, it's 26 AWG. Now I simply need to grab my wire cutter, and this is the part where we get these wires exposed. This tool actually is very nice. I think it's wire cutter. Is that a little dusty? Yeah. Anyways. I'm trying to show you the process, so I am adjusting the lighting. So there you go. Next I need to add extra thin like that. Good. Let me see if I can show you. Good. See, it's not easy when you have the camera in front of you, between the your face and the model. Now the tool for the motor. Almost done, almost done. There's the red positive and the negative right here. Quick test before we proceed, and it's running. Good. Now we simply assemble all the parts. Alright, we are done fixing Henry. All the wire sounds really good. I need some room. Yeah, works good. Fix it. I have found Ben and Bill, Ben, whatever you want to name it, the order you want. They are all filthy, dusty, little noisy, not a big deal. So this needs some maintenance, like disassemble the entire model, use some lube, and replace that noisy cog that is located inside the motor. So I have removed all the screws, and I think, oh yes, it's very dirty, very filthy. I think we're gonna use our ultrasonic cleaner to give this part a good deep clean, because look at that, too much. See, the problem with these motors, or the noisy problem, is this cog. Since it's loose, that means there is a little gap between one of these. Actually, I think it's this one right here, I think. So that makes the rattle noises. These tires look like they are very old. I need to replace, yeah, I need to replace these ones too. No, no bueno. Yeah, they are very old. Ultrasonic cleaner. Man, there is a lot of dust in here. New coke for the motor and ready to assemble. Once you put all the cogs, I must not forget to add some lube to these cogs. There. Testing. There is the motor running. Big difference, yes. Ran out of Tomy tires, but don't worry, we have these other tires. That looks good. All right, now the final step is some touch up. See the buffer? That's done. Done. Buffer beam a little bit here. There. It's looking good. Looking good. Next is Bill. Bill has the same problem, just a little dust. And what I'm going to give to this model is just add some lube. Maybe replace that cog that is in the motor. That probably makes a little rattle noise. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. So, yes, this is the problem. It's very loose, cracked. Well, this model I was actually clean compared to the other one, so the rest is history. So the only thing I'm going to add beside the cog is extra lube, some lube. Testing, testing. Sounds good, good, good. Wheels are okay. All right. So it looks like this has just barely few scratches, not a lot of damage done. This is good, good. Yeah, I saw something here. Gonna give a little touch up. Yep, one more here. There, good, good, good. And it's working great, 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 great. All right, we are done with Bill, Ben, Ben, Bill, Bill, Ben, Ben, Bill. We have Gordon, but for some reason, it's not moving. Sometimes tries to. It might be a cog inside the gearbox that is not engaging, or maybe it's broken. Once we remove all the screws, I need to pull this cover. Gentle, gentle. There might be something inside. Okay, another test. Okay. Okay, I see the problem is on this cog right here. Does not engage and it's broken. Can you see that crack over there? It's broken right there, all the way here. Now I noticed something. There are 2 screws missing, so that means someone before me tried to fix it, and they couldn't fix it because this specific cog, this one right here, you cannot find it anywhere. Yes, it's right there. That's the crack. Okay, I need to find spare part. Now here's the problem. I need to sacrifice one of these motors. That cog over there is good. This one also is good. Got the part out. Alright, now it's working and that should fix the problem. At least this model was clean. Now we simply do a test. It's running. Works. Yep, it's working. Working good. We're done with Gordon.